Hello and welcome to Storytime in Nature. My name is Coral Bass with Manatee County Parks and Natural Resources, and today we're in Jiggs Landing. And Jiggs Landing is a cute little preserve off 70 that focuses on fishing because it was once an old fishing camp. Which is one of the reasons we're here is look at all this beautiful water behind us. So today we're going to talk about different creatures that are found or live around the water. Really important things, specifically fresh water. So come on, let's have some fun. Ten timid turtles lounging in a line. Them lounging in a line. Oh, see that one lucky log. Startled by a bullfrog. Alright, so we're going to make our best bullfrog noise. Gotta get a deep voice and do that's a bullfrog. You can see the bullfrog right there. Okay? And check out the turtles hanging there. Can you see the one that's slipping off? The skittish one? The shy guy? Then there are nine napping turtles. The day is growing late. A rabbit rustles in the leaves. Can you make a rustling sound? Can you make a rustling sound? Rustle, rustle, rustle. Just kind of dig. Digging is really closer to a rustling noise. Now there are eight lazy turtles resting without care. A red squirrel scampers by the log. All right, now, we typically have gray squirrels in our area. We don't typically have red. But still, a squirrel scampers by. Seven still are there. 7 sleepy turtles hear the crunch of the sticks. Deer appear beside the shore. Do you know what a baby deer is called? Those are fawns, and you can see the doe, so the mama. See the doe? It's the mama deer, and then the fawn is the one with speckled spots and smaller. Very good. Now there are six sunning turtles watch ducklings dive. The mothered mallard quacks at them. Look at that. How many ducklings do you see? How about that? Lots of ducklings. Then there are 5 idle turtles lolling by the shore. Pollywogs swirl by their logs. Now check it out. Our pollywogs. Pollywogs are tadpoles. That's just another name for tadpoles or baby frogs. You can see some of them have legs already and some of them don't. Because some tadpoles can be in the water for as long as 2 years before they finally metamorphosize and become frogs. All right. Now there are 4 drowsy turtles, quiet as can be. A butterfly flutters by. You think a butterfly is going to scare a turtle? I don't know, but this guy is. Maybe it was all the commotion together. Leaving only 3 carefree turtles beneath a sky so blue. A chickadee chirps in a tree. Can you chirp for me? Make a good chirping noise. Chirp, 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 chirp. Then there are two silent turtles. Watch the setting sun. Mosquitoes buzz above their heads. Can you buzz for me like a mosquito? Buzz, 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 buzz. And what's cool about mosquitoes, all right, is these actually could be one of their turtle snack. Because sometimes these guys will eat mosquitoes. I kind of like that. I hope he does eat a snack of one or two of them personally. Now there are only one lonely turtle in the fading light. Look at that, isn't that a pretty sunset? Splash! 10 tired turtles settle for the night. Make a good splash noise for me. It can be a plop, it can be a splash, it can be any of those. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sleep tight. The end. So, water is important. It's important to you and me and our wildlife. Wow, did you know we're 75% water, and a lot of it's in our brain. So it helps us think, it helps our organs work so that we can have a fully functioning body. So water is important to us. Now what about wildlife? So our mammals, like the deer and the squirrel, they all drink it. The rabbit, they drink it, all right? And they have to use that to keep themselves healthy and happy as well. But then you've got things like the tadpoles that can spend a couple months to 2 years in the water, breathing the water, right? And then they hop to land. Mosquitoes, the same thing. They start off in the water, and then they come out of the water into land. And you've got the ducks who use it in a totally different way. Yeah, they start off on land, and then they bring their ducklings into the water, because that's where they eat. They're designed to live on the water. So water's important to a lot of our different creatures. And for each of those, they come to the river. They come to places like Jig's Landing in order to live. So it is important because water is life. So the next time you're at a river, stream, even a pond, any of that is fine, I want you to stop, pause, and look around and see what you spot. Who might be lurking right along the edges of the water, or who might be in it? Could you find a great blue heron? That's a big bird. You might be able to find that, one of our wading birds. You might see a dragonfly. Or you might see one of the things we saw today in our book, maybe a frog or a turtle. You never know. But just be out there and be looking. Be observant. You'll spot something. All right, so thank you again for joining me for Nature Storytime at Jig's Landing. It's been a lovely day, and I hope that you'll be able to come back next week for our next one, next Wednesday. Thank you, and have a lovely day. Bye.